Public speaking class in Fort Songs will present a speech recital now.
Our time is filled with some nonsense eccentricities, and veering away find us in the predicament to perform. Are we to be contented with some moment of emptiness? I doubt it.
Better than being idolized or managed, why getting one's head full of worthy activities drives away boredom? Don't you think so?
The idea is to be out from idleness, so why shun away from activity? Many are the days when you fold their arms looking for something to do.
Don't you put in melodies as a metaphoric line sometimes? Doing that will simply drive the blues away.
Trouble is not melody. Where are those lines? Better yet, bring back the good old days and the good old tunes.
We all are glued to the song selection, whose tone and tune is geared to melody of song. Don't you think so?
Why not? As our dear folks would say, them were the good old days.
Yeah, lyrics and melodies of love.
Every time I hear the wind whispering on the willow trees, I am filled with memories of my summer love.
When the August moon was low and hearts aglow, two strangers kissed.
And just like the August moon, too soon, you have vanished.
Now the willow trees are bare. Autumn chill is in the air. Still I'm searching everywhere for my summer love. Though the night is dark and dreams are asleep, I see the August moon above. Then I pray once more it will come and bring back my summer love.
Every time I hear the breeze whispering.
Love songs or love poems are classified as ballads. Poems are alright, but singing is a different kind of talent. Not only should one be able to carry a line, he or she must be gifted with the voice.
You can say that again, Kiko. I myself will try to present the same thing.
But Rydell Leonard will get by, no worries.
That summer love is classical standard again. Our abuelas and abuelas must really know that love.
So what are you complaining about? Don't we try and dissect the work of Shakespeare? We are to follow the rules of learning set by our mentors. It is as if learning is not complete if we don't go across the history of Renaissance and depth of literature.
Right on, folks. Ahora es el tiempo para experimentar y reminiscer los tiempos pasados.
Vamos a ver, damas y caballeros, ahora es el tiempo para los recuerdos de las canciones y poemas de ayer, de nuestro abuelos y abuelas. Por un ejemplo, tiene el poema con título Historia de un amor, ¿sabes? Pues, ¿qué esperando ya? Hay que aprovechar. Ya no estás, mas a mi lado corazón, en el alma soy hermoso. Que sé yo no puedo verte, porque yo suspiré para hacer sufrir más.
Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir. Adorarte por mi fe religión. En tus besos me encontraba, el calor de mi brindaba para hacerme sufrir más.
Es la historia de un amor como un mar de otro igual, que me hizo comprender todo el viento del mar, que le dio a mi vida, apagándola después. Ay, qué vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré.
My only question is Spanish. In English, we already need assistance. Now in Spanish, no question about the beautiful language. Pero, hay veces que no puedo comprender. Nothing comes easy if you ask me. How would you like to do things que más fácil? Siyempre hay tiempo, poco difícil.
We were also told that when it pertains to the arts, nothing is so difficult, but you have to stand in such a way as to be a man of fear.
Right, Alex. Por eso, I try to make do no matter what.
Like a walking wood, unafraid of anything.
But why so, Alex?
If there are only humility, sadness.
A walk in the woods, did you say? Listen, when I got up this morning, the rain began to fall. It might not be pathways, but acres.
The leaves bloom. The gloomy skies were clouded. The sun refused to smile. But somewhere there I know that the rainbow gave its shelter.
Sometimes, midsummer's day, an April shower beats, and in the cold December, summer the sun shines bright. What wonder reads at midnight, summer the sun shines bright. O give me grace to see what the wonder there is tomorrow.
That does it. Let's do the selection in unison. For me, public speaking is simply something that I have to go through as an academic subject. I have yet to understand it peacefully, insofar as personality development is concerned.
Being shy is bashful. Being shy and bashful is innate in me. We've been told that getting old and dying of shy and bashful is a personal choice.
That is, I must understand it, but what I do is just like it, as the saying goes.
In that selection morning rain, it bespeaks so much of us. We wake up one morning not knowing what might happen in the day. Or are we in the know how our day would have ended? Definitely not at all.
Some of us would want to talk in Spanish. Our professor would try to give us those lines. But best explanation will always take lengthy of time.
In speaking of Spanish, hablando en español es muy difícil, porque está a tiempo para nuestros recuerdos de nuestras lecciones son hablando públicos.
Spanish. In our time, they say Spanish needs translation. Problem is, business or no business, being business-like means being formal and sincere. English is still universal, sabe, amigos y amigas.
Damas y caballeros, cada día empezar de mañanita pasa de tarde, pero pensar con concentración serioso el futuro de mi vida.
La vida es buena, sabe Luis. Calmadillo más bien hay que considerar que único es bien. Cada uno con su gusto, ¿sabes?
Bueno, damas y caballeros, para continuar, tiene una poema en inglés conmigo, Chasing Rainbows. It goes, always chasing rainbows, watching clouds drifting by. My schemes are just like all my dreams, ending in the sky.
Some fellows look and find the sunshine. I always look and find the rain. Some fellows make a woman sometime. They never even think of me. Believe me.
Cambio el tópico ahora. This time we talk of what's well.
Sure. A 360. Our tongue needs training and safety. My only problem is, what has become of us with our native tongues?
Native tongue, did you say that? What? Tagalog, Ilocano, Bicol, or Ilocos? That would be colorful in class, too, then.
Here goes. Kaya't ti may sanga ubing, samsampet mo. Nasasabo nga pag-ugas, ipunan sa tiyapi. Iayat ti may sanga lakay, at lalong na ang kabaw. Napait, napait, napait ng mga pichu.
Spanish. This day and age, who can still speak Spanish in all fluency?
But I hasten to say that, such is the nature of studies in any subject, we tackle subjects that are below to you. In one time, you are led to the knowledge that you should fit. Languages, why agame en favor para estudiar español?
I rested my case a long time ago.
Pues, está muy claro ahora, CJ.
Ni para continuar. Another ambivalent fellow, Daniel de la Cruz.
Now I'm branded, but why not? I say that in public speaking, why ba lang English alone? We manage to speak in English, but what about our lingua franca, Tagalog?
I live with your reputation. There are lots of things to be considered in dealing with our native tongues. Mga tula, matalinhagang kataga. Another serious study.
Mr. Red suggests something.
He is not so much in the know of.
Where have you come from, Renz?
So ay puro Tagalog. Kayong aking karigatan po.
Well, as you see, ladies and gentlemen, all things are put together, and our mentor will give it a deeper perception. So we have a few something like this. What's your dialogue, Mr. Mate?
Why me? I'd rather be on the background always. When I put on the spot, I get public facing my song.
It makes me wonder sometimes. This public speaking session can be what we term as double killing.
What made you say so, Gino? Sessions are all geared up to make us all conversant. What's double killing there?
Besides, after physics and geography, I find public speaking or river speaking a departure from numbers, which make us cross out.
Except for singing. It's not that I don't like that part, but come on, let's face it, we're no singers.
Why not overkill? That oral defense we took just got it all flat-footed.
I know what you mean, Kilo. Probably you're not ready to answer that question.
I don't know about you. All I like are questions that are related to the topic of study. Some were not related to the topic.
But it made you talk and react. That's all there is to it. Open your mouth and verbalize.
See, verbalize that. Didn't make us any better?
Follow and apply those instructions.
Hold on to your horses, man. After all, these things are here. But once, we could take it for life, can't we?
So you see, ladies and gentlemen, eso es el claro réplico de nuestro naturalismo. Reclamadores, cállate por favor, silencio.
Luna que te que. Sobre las tinieblas de mi soledad. ¿A dónde vas?
Pwede que pero yo te muero, ya que Fernando así, confeses tú.
Cállate, por favor. We are like parrots. We talk and sing in a lenguaje difícil para comprender.
Ano sa'yo, basta ya? Don't they register well in our hearing?
Got you, James.
We have to add more on a safer harbor.
Go back to the origin, our base.
These are all understandable parts. But we don't have any apologetic. This is our final study public speaking. But sounds, let's do it again.
Why don't you rise again and think about your audience? And show them that this is a speech recital, not a song recital.